So now that we have the image scan, we can move with the arrow and we can make an entire view of what we scanned. And in this moment, what we want to do is to set all the image in the same position. So we can rotate and here before take the picture and put it straight, but what we want to do now is go to image and rotate it. And what we used to do in the lab is to have the photoreceptor facing up. So we rotate it and we want all the frames to be rotated. And we save again the file. Having this, we can do two things. We can do 3D reconstruction, or we can tell the microscope to flat all the image in one single picture. For 3D reconstruction, we have to go to this element that is here. It's not super good in this type of images. We want to have just one, and we can have something like this that is going to give us a good idea of how well is our retina, or how well is our staining. Now here we can see that the outer segment is just being stained in the top part and nothing at the end, so the antibody didn't penetrate that much, or our tissue is not being here. Then there is another video how to do videos with this. But if we want to do a flat image of this, we have to go to image and go to ND processing, create maximum intensity projection in the image, in the C image. And it's going to give us a flat image with the 4 channels that we use. So we have the DAPI, green that is saturating here. We can unclick in this moment the saturation part, so it doesn't bother us. We are focusing in this part, not in this part that is broken. We have a red image and the DIC image. What we want to do in this case with every channel is to work with the LUTs. The LUT is going to help us to narrow down the bands that we are interested in and filter out what is background. So in that sense, we are going to start removing, for example, the excess of white. I know that this needs to be dark, so I'm going to remove the dark from here and find a good image. In DIC, I used to go darker because otherwise it's going to mask the other colors. So I can go here and I can distinguish the inner segment from the outer segment, and the RPE, microvilli in fact, and the RPE, and here are the nuclei. You can go in down and hide up. So then I can go to work with DAPI. DAPI is used to be very clean, but you can decrease a little bit and increase here. If you turn up completely, it's going to be saturated here. You can see the nuclei of RPE. This is not a super good staining, but it's going to work. So this. Now I'm going to work with the green. This green is pretty clean also, and you can see that we have the entire spectrum full of that. So I can definitely take out, narrow down what is there, and excite a little bit. I will do exactly the same with red. In red we have a lot of background that we can see that is here, and also it's because we use a lot of gain and a lot of laser power, because the antibody is not that good, or the primary or the secondary. In this case, I would like to specifically set what I'm looking for, and once that I have it, I want to have a brighter. So now, pressing Ctrl, I can add different layers, and this is a nice picture. In this side of the screen, we can choose to show the scale bar or not. We will leave it here in this case. So we like this picture. You can make any change also here, and we want to save it. So what we do is go to File and Save As. Go to the folder that you were working on. So in this case, it's here. Here we have the original file that is big in size, and I personally work with these images, and here you have some options that you can choose how to take the picture. The options that we work mostly is this one and this one. The first one tell you that it's going to make a TIFF picture in RGB for every channel that you take. In this case we have 4 channels. And it's asking you if you want to burn the scale bar there or leave it without the scale bar. I take it out the scale bar because I use this one as a raw data. I don't change anything here, but in the bit it's good to go down to scale down to 8-bit. It's because of most of the software that we use is in scale bit, and I don't want to save anything that I made here because I want to have the raw data. And also I want to click here in all the channels merge in a RGB overlay image. Okay, in this one I want to have the burn scale in this case. So I'm going to press, now I'm not going to click this, and I'm going to come back and telling you why. I'm going to have this image here, and it's going to ask me if I want to save on all the channels or only the one that I selected. Now I want the only that I selected, because I want specifically this picture to have it. If I add also the last one, that is this one, or if I don't have it, click it, doesn't matter. Then I want this picture with the DIC. I come back to Save As. To avoid go to a separately folder and you have to find your folder every time, you can cancel, you can open an image, go to open an image, go to the folder that you want, open the last image that you make, close it, and then go to Save As again. When you go to Save As again, it's going to pop up in the folder that you want. So again, I'm going to go to TIFF format, but this time I want to have all the raw data. I'm going to click here, and I want also this other picture. So it's going to make 4 pictures on raw here, and 1 more picture here that is going to have all flattened together. So I'm going to put save, and I make a mistake here. I didn't change this number and didn't change the name, so I'm going to put on save it again, and now it saved all the channels. If you go to the folder that we have been using, you can see that we have this picture that we took with the scale bar. We have this other picture with the scale bar with the DIC included, and then we have 4 images without any LUTs and without the scale bar that I can use later on in other software. let's stop here.